Just look at Amazon UAE. Protein powders, magnesium, collagen, vitamins, and new supplement brands launching all the time. So the real question is it the right opportunity for you to launch a product, a new private label, maybe supplements brand on Amazon in the UAE, or would it be better for you to sell on your very own website? So in today's video, I'll show you, number one, exactly the opportunity and how large it is for selling supplements in the UAE. Number two, why Amazon is the best place for you to launch. And number three, most importantly, legally, what are your requirements when it comes to your business licensing in order to be able to sell on Amazon supplements? Now, truthfully, when sellers think about Amazon, they think they should only sell electronics, maybe kitchen items, maybe home items. However, there is a huge growing opportunity for supplements and the health and wellness space. Customers are no longer purchasing products just simply because they are sick. It is part of a health lifestyle, which a lot of customers in the UAE embrace. Hi, my name is Crystal, founder and CEO of Sellers Society. We are an award-winning Amazon certified partner, and we help and support sellers since 2019 launch on Amazon in the Middle East. This is going to be your go-to guide video to launch your very own supplement in the UAE. Along with this video is a guide that I prepared for you so that you can go along all of the information. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video. Let's get to work. Step number one, the UAE supplements market is growing fast. According to recent research from Grand View Research, the UAE dietary supplements market was worth approximately $618 million in 2025 and expected to grow to 1.44 billion USD by 2033. That's an annual growth rate of about 11.2%. That's certainly not slow growth. This is one of the fastest growing segments in the market. And here are a few metrics that make it even more exciting. So vitamins represent about 27.2% of the market, and adults account for 65% of the supplement purchases. Over-the-counter supplements, the stuff that you can sell on Amazon, is about 78.1% of total sales, and showing that consumers are increasingly buying supplements as part of their regular wellness routine. The research also found that the protein and amino acid supplements segment should grow at an estimated 13.7% compounded annual growth rate, making it one of the fastest segments of growth within this market. And of course, reports attribute this huge demand to the lifestyle that we live in the UAE, with so many new gyms opening up, gyms and health spaces already available in communities and buildings, and a lot of young population embracing outdoors and activities. And if you live in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or the rest of the UAE, you definitely see what I'm talking about. Let's move on with step number two. Why is Amazon the best place for you to launch? Now, let's be honest. Just because there's demand for these products does not mean they are easy to sell. The main component and the main issue to overcome is confidence. So yes, you might have the best protein powder on the market, but customers need to feel confident to purchase your products. And there's so many different types of hesitations that might go through the customer's mind. That's why it makes it even more difficult if you're launching a completely brand new brand on your own website. Definitely having your own website is definitely crucial, but focusing on sales primarily on your website might be a little bit tricky, as you need to get traffic in, number one, and number two, you need to convert that traffic on a brand that nobody has seen before. So confidence tends to be the main issue as to being able to convert the traffic. Now, moving on to Amazon, the difference is customers aren't going to search for your product on Amazon. Customers are already there. Over 20 million customers log into Amazon UAE every single month searching for products. So they're already searching for you. They might be searching for protein powder, collagen, whatever type of product you're selling. Your mission in this case is to show up, versus on your website, bring in the traffic. Obviously, because customers have a lot of confidence with Amazon, since it's such a household brand, you will benefit from that confidence and your conversion rate will be much better. Still, not easy, but easier than doing it on your own website. And Amazon provides you a full system, a systematic approach. Amazon provides you FBA, Prime eligibility. Amazon provides you being able to market your products properly and being able to add A+ content that provides further information to your customers. Supplements also have a very big advantage, which is repeat purchases. And if you are an Amazon customer, you know how easy it is to purchase a product. It's literally a one-click system. So it's easier to get customers to purchase your product again on Amazon, since they're already on Amazon and they're already buying products for their everyday use. So getting them to repurchase your product would be absolutely much easier than doing it on your own website. Fantastic, this is all out of the way. Let's get into the most important element of this video, and that's business licensing. So let's get into it. If you want to sell in the supplements category on Amazon, here are your requirements. You cannot have a free zone business license. First of all, your license has to have a certain type of activity. I'll show them on the screen and you'll find all of the details in our downloadable guide. You also need to have your license from an accepted licensing authority, which is mostly Dubai Economy and Tourism, Government of Dubai, and then you see for Sharjah and Abu Dhabi as well. There is no way around it. These are the requirements, and in case the requirements do get updated, we'll keep the guide updated as well. Now remember, those are Amazon's requirements, but also you need to be aware that if you want to import products into the UAE, you also need further licensing and further approvals. So be careful not to do all of this business and start the private labeling process before you know legally what is required, so that you can figure out whether or not it's something that you can go along with. If you need any help and support with launching this type of business or any other business on Amazon, we're here to support you. You can reach out to us via our website, understand a little bit more about our programs, and book a call to communicate with the team on www.assmiddleeast.org. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave me your comments and questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.